Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend continues. Did this analysis on Monday and commented on the volume and the price movement. And once again today, the volume has remained extremely strong, extremely impressive. So updates certainly need to be made. So let's first thing, just adjust this level of support upwards here. And the key dynamic here is, just very straightforward. So I'm not trying to insult anybody's intelligence, but whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher like they were in this situation, that's always a good step in the right direction. So support levels that need to be adjusted higher and then adjusted higher, definitely a good step in the right direction, and that's what you want to see. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that 0.08 can never be violated, but if it is violated, that implies the entire chart's destroyed. I'm not trying to say that. I'm just saying that 8 cents, not only did the level of support, the previous level of support, need to be adjusted higher, but that's going to be the ideal level, where if the price can continue to stay above 8 cents, moving forward, that's going to certainly be in a very, very impressive sign of power. But as I've talked about in past videos and will continue to talk about, when you take a step back and look at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things, when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 8 cents would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just continue not to matter, and I think I talked about this in Monday's video, but if I didn't, I'm definitely going to do it here. What do I mean by resistance levels not mattering? Well, as long as the price does this is what matters most. Build on those higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then give it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, just chipping away and building higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.